Enjoy big screen entertainment without stretching your budget. The Best Projector Low Cost offers bright visuals, easy setup, and versatile connectivity, delivering a satisfying viewing experience for movies, gaming, and presentations while keeping overall expenses comfortably low. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. VOPLLS Thinnest Low-Cost Projector. The VOPLLS Thinnest Low-Cost Projector stands out as a stylish, ultra-portable option that brings impressive smart features and clarity to any environment. Its sleek 1.81-inch profile makes it incredibly easy to carry, almost like packing a small book, yet it delivers performance far beyond its size. With built-in Netflix compatibility and preloaded streaming apps, you can enjoy a full entertainment library without relying on extra streaming devices. The projector's automatic fast focus and 6D Keystone correction work seamlessly to deliver a crisp picture within seconds, eliminating the need for manual adjustments. The 360-degree rotatable bracket adds versatility, and the Wi-Fi 6 plus Bluetooth 5.2 combination ensures smooth streaming and quick connectivity to speakers. Its honest 320 ANSI brightness produces a clean, vivid picture, offering a reliable and enjoyable viewing experience. Number 2. Goiaey Native Low-Cost Projector. The Goiaey Native Low-Cost Projector is a strong choice for budget-conscious users seeking reliable Full HD clarity and smooth connectivity. With its native 1080p resolution, it produces vibrant, sharp visuals ideal for home theaters or bedroom setups. The addition of Bluetooth 5.1 makes pairing external speakers effortless, allowing you to enhance audio quality during movies or gaming sessions. Even without extra speakers, the built-in hi-fi stereo speakers deliver clear and enjoyable sound for smaller rooms. This projector works seamlessly with popular TV sticks like Fire TV Stick or Chromecast, giving you access to a wide range of streaming options without complications. Smartphone compatibility is also available, though adapters may be required depending on device type. Whether you're mirroring your phone or using an external streaming device, the Goiaey projector offers flexibility and simplicity. It's a dependable, low-cost option that combines good picture quality, easy operation, and broad compatibility, making it great for everyday entertainment needs. Number 3. HAPPRUN 1080p Low-Cost Projector. The HAPPRUN 1080p low-cost projector delivers an elevated smart entertainment experience with its officially licensed Google TV system, giving users access to thousands of apps and top streaming services without needing external devices. Its interface is smooth and responsive thanks to Google's latest computing chip, and voice control through Google Assistant makes navigation incredibly convenient. The projector's 1000 ANSI lumens brightness ensures impressive visibility in semi-dark or dark rooms, producing clean, detailed visuals with native 1080p quality and 4K support. Wi-Fi 6 improves wireless mirroring, while Bluetooth 5.2 allows you to enhance audio with compatible speakers. Despite the advanced features, the projector remains lightweight and portable, making it easy to move between rooms or set up outdoors. Its solid build and multi-year service support add extra confidence. Number 4. KOGATA Keystone Low-Cost Projector. The KOGATA Keystone Low-Cost Projector introduces a modern short-throw design that makes big-screen entertainment possible even in compact spaces. Its ability to project a large image from a short distance eliminates typical placement challenges, making it ideal for bedrooms, apartments, and small living rooms. The projector includes built-in streaming apps and supports major services like Prime Video, YouTube, Disney+, and more through an official Smart TV operating system. This ensures stable performance without the freezes or crashes often found in unofficial systems. Its TOF autofocus and Keystone correction adjust instantly, maintaining a sharp, perfectly aligned picture even if the projector is moved. Dolby Audio with dual 10W speakers provides rich, room-filling sound that elevates movies or gaming. Lightweight and easy to carry, this projector blends convenience, clarity, and smart performance seamlessly. Number 5. CiBest 1080 Low-Cost Projector. The CiBest 1080 low-cost projector offers a feature-rich experience, especially for users who want built-in streaming without additional subscriptions or devices. With official Netflix authorization and pre-installed apps like Disney+, YouTube, and Prime Video, it's ready to use immediately. Electric focus and Keystone correction make setup quick, delivering a sharp, symmetrical picture with minimal effort. Wi-Fi 6 ensures stable streaming and smooth mirroring, while Bluetooth 5.4 provides fast, reliable pairing with external speakers or headphones for enhanced audio. Its ultra-short throw design creates a large image from a short distance, making it perfect for tight rooms or small living areas where placement flexibility matters. Supporting 4K video playback, the projector produces crisp, detailed visuals with rich colors that enhance movie watching and gaming sessions. Overall, CiBest offers strong performance, simple setup, and excellent streaming convenience at a low cost, making it a practical and enjoyable choice for everyday entertainment. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.